I'm going in full again, Baba. Thank you so much, guys. Today I'm very um, nervous, but also excited because I'm gonna be trading now, just before the event. Today we have an event, a very special event, which is gonna be happening in the market, and I'm gonna be trading just before that event because of price action and also limit orders that I will set up. I think we are going to be on the right track. Join me today as I'm going to be covering from analysis to um, analysis on fundamentals, analysis on price action, on what's going to happen in the markets today. Hi, my name is Mo Tiene, and then I am the CEO and founder of the International School of Traders. Today, I'm gonna be showing you guys what's gonna be happening in the market, or what I am really expecting in the market. Now, for those of you who really who wants to see what's going to be happening in the market, guys, we can only predict the market. We cannot see in the future, but we can only predict what is in the market, what is going to happen, what can possibly happen in the market. Now, let me just go quickly in the market and show you guys what's really going on. Before we're going to the market, let me just go quickly into the news that I expected today. We've obviously seen a couple of news, including the new housing index, and also the speech from Postix, from the who is also the FOMC member, mortgage index in the United States as well. The pound, we've seen on the pound, we've seen the CBI, industrial trends orders. We have seen in South Africa releasing its core CPI and CPI year on year and month on month, and we've seen huge improvement on the core CPI, and I love that. Also, the core CPI month on month, we've seen not as expected on the CPI, right? We're expecting with 5.4%, but now we are seeing 5.3%. But what's good news is that we are coming from 5.1% on the consumer price index. Now, that is very, very good. Now, let us see. On the FOMC today, which is at 9 o'clock South African time, that is when we're expecting markets to be very turbulent, or markets to be moving in a very drastic way. For those of you who have never traded the news event, we've never traded during the news event, we've never traded before, after, we've never seen this, you can witness yourself during this time. Watch the USD-based pairs or USD pairs in particular, see how the market is going to be moving. But hey, please trade with caution, and none of the things that I'm going to be saying today is going to be constituting as financial advice. Watch and see how the market is going to be moving and learn. Now, let us go into the market quickly, and I want to show you what I have in terms of setups today. Now, I know most of people love trading NASDAQ, and they want to see what's going on in NASDAQ. On NASDAQ today, what I'm expecting, I'm expecting markets to continue all the way down, as we've been seeing this market trend pushing all the way down over the last couple of days. Now, what I'm going to be seeing and expecting, I'm going to be expecting markets to be pushing all the way down to this area, which is around the 78.6 level. And I'm going to be expecting Nasdaq to be bouncing after this week, pushing towards the top side or towards the top level. I'm not going to be holding towards my take profit, yes, but I am going to be optimistic and say, hey, listen, whatever happens in the market, this is what I'm expecting. I'm expecting markets to buy at this level, with also some take profits and stop loss in place. Let me just warn you, this stop loss is very huge, is very big, which I have in this particular case. You can use your smaller stop loss if you wish to. You can use your, as long as you're using the right risk management, right? This is what I'm going to be expecting in this particular case on this market, right? This is Nasdaq. Now on Dow Jones, which is US 30, I'm not going to be trading yet today, although yesterday I made a killing on this market when I bought around this area here where we are at the moment. I made a killing. We saw markets moving from here, and then I closed out around about this point. Market moved further, and it was a good day for traders. It was a good day. So for those of you who are trading today, obviously I'm not seeing anything today, but obviously in the next couple of days or the next couple of hours, we might see some new formations or market trend that we might like. But in this particular case, I'm not liking anything on Dow Jones. Now, looking at gold, which is one of the trades that I am actually looking at today, I'm looking at gold, which is XAUSD on a 4-hour time frame. Now, this particular chart is very beautiful to me because we have been seeing some very consistent trend in this market here, especially for those of you who've been following my TikTok, my YouTube, and also my, on the International School of Traders. You notice that, this trend, I really love seeing it doing it in this way, in this particular way, and in this particular sense, or in this particular manner that we have here. I have what is called a sell limit when markets reach this level, and I'm expecting a sell all the way down to this market over here or down here. This is very beautiful. This is lovely, and this is a 78.6. Yes, this 61.8 is triggering, or is actually can trigger you to sell at this point in time, but I'm choosing not to do so, especially with the FOMC coming up later today, which might change our decision, which might change this market. Actually, not change the market, but push the market towards the 78.6. The 78.6. Now, the 78.6 is where I'm willing to catch the market all the way down. Now, if you are using a different broker from mine, this stop loss, which I have here in this particular case, which I'm going to share with you, is going to be very huge for you, not good for small accounts as well. You must have a huge account on this particular trade. But if you are using Quick Trade, you can use your small account and trade this market over here. Now, what is our take profit and stop loss, and what is my take profit and stop loss in this particular case? My trade stance in this particular way, or in this particular manner here. I have my sell limit order exactly at 2048.11, and I do have my stop loss at 2067.87, and my take profit is at 1984.08. Now that is very, very that is what I'm looking at in terms of the stop loss and take profit in this particular case. However, if you feel like you have a different setup, you can also submit, you can send it to me, we can have a look at it, and then we can see if it corresponds, or maybe your direction is a little bit better, or actually looking good or better. Now, but also trading is not about fancy trading, right? Euro USD, this one knocked me out, especially 2 days ago, because I hit a stop loss. Now on this one, excuse me. Now, on this one, I was expecting markets to drop or fall a little bit further towards the downside. It did, but it didn't cash out as I was expecting to fall even further. Now, in this particular case right here, what can we expect? Now, in this case, what I'm expecting is that during the FOMC, we might see market pushing towards the top side, and then, market's going to start selling around these sell zones or this point over here. Yes, you can have a sell limit order, but before a sell limit order, let us look down on a smaller time frame. What exactly we can see on a smaller time frame is that what on a 1 hour time frame, to be precise, 1 hour time frame, we do have quite a beautiful level just around this point here. Let me just show you. Maybe let me just look at it using Fibonacci retracement. I am seeing that we are actually just below, just above the 78.6, which is good for buying, right, on Euro USD. If you look at this market trend over here, which we've had, which is a bullish market, buying in this particular case is my type of idea which I'd really love. So what I'll do is I'm going to put a buy limit order very quickly here. My buy limit order is exactly at 1.07798. Now, where is my stop loss gonna be in this case? I'm going to have a stop loss. Just quickly. Okay, just wait a second. I'm gonna confirm it to you. I'm just using 30 pips as my stop loss for now, but we might have something different shortly, right? Because I'm gonna modify it now, right? I'm gonna modify it now. My take profit is actually a bit low here. Okay, cool. So I'm gonna start adjusting quickly. So obviously this can be my take profit for now. My stop loss I want this to be here because of the structure here. And let me look at a 4-hour time frame. I'm liking this idea. I'm liking this trade. I can push it a little bit further to where my sell limit is, but we will see over the next couple of hours what's going to happen in this market. Yes, it is a small trade. It's a filler trade, but I'm looking, I'm looking to have a good time around this trade. So what is my stop loss and take profit? My buy limit is at 1.07798. My stop loss at 1.07583. My take profit is going to be at 1.08511. This is my Euro USD trade that I'm looking at over the next couple of minutes. USD JPY, nothing there that I'm looking at the moment. However, on a 1 hour time frame, yeah, nothing on a 1 hour time frame as well. So nothing to talk about here. Euro CHF, nothing to talk about here as well. GBP CHF, nothing to say here. Now, my favorite type of setup is GBP USD as we are approaching the FOMC, right? Let me just move this here to the side. Now, is GBP USD obviously in a 4-hour time frame, or what we've heard and seen over the past couple of days is that this trade has been. Okay, just give me a second, right? Okay, cool. This trade has been moving in this type of a box, and I'm gonna delete it quickly after drawing it. This box that you are seeing here, change properties quickly. Now, this box that you're seeing here, where GBPUSD has been moving in over the past couple of days or weeks, is called a sideways market. A sideways market is where you're having, in most cases, equal highs and equal lows, or a ranging market, if you want to say it that way. So we've been seeing equal lows and equal highs. Now the market escaped that towards the downside, and after escaping this, I'm expecting markets to push a little bit further for a little bit of a retest. Now, it's not going to retest here, but it can. I'm expecting it to retest even further towards the top side. It's not going to retest this area here that you are seeing here, as I'm predicting. But what I'm seeing is that market is going to retest that area up there, and then we're going to sell all the way down in this particular case right here. So yeah, that's all on GBPUSD at the moment. I do have a sell limit order which I'd love to share with you guys, even though I do have a lot of now okay, okay, my network is kind of troubling me at the moment. Okay, cool. So okay, sorry about that. My network has been troubling me. Okay, cool. So what we can see over the next couple of hours is market might push further towards the top side in a very beautiful, strange, or beautiful kind of way. Now, in front of me, I do have a CHFJPY set up. Now, in this particular case, what I've done is I've just sold. My exact sell is exactly at okay, cool. So my exact sell here in this particular case is okay. I've taken a trade around the 1 point. Let me just go quickly check. It's around the 170.501 mark with a stop loss of 170.908 with a take profit of 169,384. Now, in this particular case, what I'm doing is I'm just following the market structure that we had last week. Now, the market structure that we had last week, we sold here. If I can just give you that trade history sort of, where I sold around this area and took profit around here. Now I was expecting market to push a little bit further, but it didn't. But I did take my profit. That is nice. What can be expected on this market? I can expect it to continue going all the way down, as we have seen the structure in the past here around this area here being rejected. Now I'm expecting market to reject once again and continue towards the downside. If this trade works out, it's going to be a killer trade in this type, in this market, so to say, right? Okay, cool. So that is on CHF JPY, AUD nothing, NZD nothing, USD CAD. Okay, I didn't want to share this, but this is exactly similar to Euro USD at the moment. Obviously, if markets can continue to push further down, and I think this can happen during the news time later on today. So if it does happen, I'm going to be very grateful. I'm going to be seeing this market triggering my buy limit order, which is exactly at 1.34883. My stop loss is at 1.34583 with my take profit at 1.35837. That is on USD CAD, as I'm expecting over the next couple of hours, right? Cool. Now GBP CAD, nothing there. Although there's something looking good on GBP CAD. Why am I saying that? Obviously, my take on this trade was to say that I'm looking to see markets pushing further towards the top side. Now, as the market have reached this point, right, there's a high expectation or a high probability that the market can continue towards the downside and hit that level once again. Although the higher level, again, at this point is still one of the very interesting levels in terms of selling this market. If you look at it in a Fibonacci situation, kind of, it is exactly the level that I'm talking about is exactly at 78.6. So that one can be a very good sell for us if it does continue to as a subset. So what I can do is put a sell limit order once again here. A sell limit order on GBP CAD with a stop loss. Let me just quickly share my stop loss here. My stop loss on GBP CAD is going to be sure, just hold on a second, and then so on GBP CAD, my stop loss. Hold on. Let's just wait. Okay, cool. Now, my stop loss on GBP CAD, as I've just put a sell limit order, or just the whole trade now, the price where I'm wish to sell GBP CAD at is actually at 1.71556. That is on GBP CAD as a sell limit order. And then the stop loss at 1.72249 with a take profit of 1.69398. That is my expectation on GBP CAD. Whatever is outside that, I'm not going to be accepting, but this is looking very good in terms of the setup, especially on a 1 hour time frame. Hey, if you love this video on YouTube, TikTok, or anywhere, please give us a like and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Do forward your questions on our WhatsApp and Telegram. I'm looking forward to chatting with you guys about the trading setup. And I love you all. I will see you on the other side of the withdrawals. Shalom.